All right. So somebody prove to me how we got our answer. Prove to me. Prove to me, Dave. All right, so you got 1/2. How? Prove to me. Prove to me. So speak a little bit louder. So you did. So you put this 1/2 over top of this.
And I put another one on top of that one because it makes a hole.
So he split it into 2 halves. Okay, he split it into 2 halves. And then what you do? So he split it into 2 halves. So you realize, guys, that this is our whole. This is our whole. What about when we're multiplying 2/3? Is that going to be our whole? 1/2 of 1/2 and 1/2. So you took 1/2 of this whole, right? 1/2 of this whole. So we got 1/2. Okay, 1/2. Did anybody do this differently? Alexis.
I really, on this one, I used the blocks, but not a lot. I just thought that 1/2 times 1, everything times 1.
Okay, so Alexis used her procedures, all right? She knew that 1 of anything equals what they're multiplied. So she knows that 1 times 1/2 would be 1/2. 1 times 2/3 would be what?
2/3.
2/3, right? This is a good way to check yourself, guys. That's a good way of thinking right there. But I'm asking you guys to prove it. I'm asking you guys to prove it today. All right, let's move on to a little bit more difficult one. Move on to a little bit more difficult one. All right, 2/3 times 1/2. 2/3 times 1/2. It should be your 4th one down. All right, guys. I want you guys to work this out. Talk to your partner. Tell me how you solve it, okay?
Oh. 2/3. It's 2 rounces, so then it's 1/2.
And then got a 1/2.
Guys, let's remember our key word. What's our key word? What's our key word?
Support.
No, for multiplying, sorry. What's our key word?
2/3 of 1/2.
Guys, solve, talk to your partner. Oh no, you figured it out. You guys are going to be mind blown. Alright guys, let's work this out. Guys, let's work this out. Alright, so what am I asking? What's the question?
2/3 of 1/2.
What what is 2/3 of 1/2? Right? What is this number right here?
3.
What is this number right here? 3. What is this number though?
2/3.
I know it's 3, but what is this number?
2/3.
This number. 3.
So,
What's its purpose? What's it called?
Denominator.
What's it called in this fraction?
break that to 3 equals
Denominator. Guys, we know that this is the denominator, right? So what does the denominator tell us?
How many pieces? How many pieces in all?
How many pieces in all? Right? So it's asking how many pieces. This is how many pieces in all.
So each one's
This
1/6,
piece.
so 1/6 plus 1/6.
Can we?
6.
Can this piece be split into 3 pieces?
Yes. In triangles, yes.
Can it be split into 3 pieces?
Yeah.
So what's it asking? What is 2/3 of 1/2? What is 2/3 of 1/2? Right? Think about it again. Try it. Guys, think about it again. Try it. Remember, this is, guys, talk about it. Try to work it out, okay? Guys, look at the fraction pieces up there.
Right? That's one hand. So we need 2/3 is about fraction. The bottom number takes 1. Now we gotta divide it 3. So you have blocks that get 3. So you broke 1/2 down to 3 equal pieces, right?
I hear a lot of
Now,
answers,
we're
guys.
trying to find 2/3. 2 out of 3 groups. So out of 3 groups, we're going to take 2, right? Let's move these aside. So this is your answer. What is that? 2 6, right? 1 6 and 1 6. Or that's equivalent to 1/3. The answer is actually 2 6 or 1/3. Because those are equivalent, right?
I'll send you back.
Huh? You understand? You get it? Alright, so look, we're trying to find 2/3 of 1/2. This is what you're working with. What block can you use to break that into 3 equal groups? Because you're trying to find, because you're trying to find 2/3. Denominator to denominator equal groups, right? So, this will break it down into 3 equal groups. Right? Now, 2/3 means we're looking at 2 out of 3 groups. So your answer is going to be 2/3 of that. Now, what is this? What's that
All right, class. I'm gonna show you a little hint. I'm gonna give you a little tip, okay?
Your equivalent.
When we're doing multiplying fractions, let's not worry about what this is, what fraction, what block this is, okay? This is kind of getting you guys confused. All right, let's just worry about this number. 2/3 of what? 2/3 of our whole. This is what we're dividing. This is what we're multiplying. Okay? I want to know what 2/3 of 1/2 is. So we know our denominator is 3, right? So we know that our whole, or 1/2, is split into 3 pieces, okay? So I want to know what is 2/3 of these 3 pieces. Alexis, how did you figure it out?
The whole problem,
Yeah, tell me about it.
I took a trapezoid,
Trapezoid, okay?
which equals a half, and I
1/2,
took three triangles, which equals each one equals 22,
okay?
and I put them on top of the
So you put them on top of your,
on
Did I
top
just
of
do
the
all right?
trapezoid, and it's 2/3. I took 2
she took 2 pieces out of those 3 pieces, okay? So she took 2 pieces out of those 3 pieces. Right?
And then
So
I put them together and got this, which is
what is
2
this?
6.
What is this?
I got a rhombus
Rhombus.
shape, which is 2 6 or 1/3.
All right. Does anybody else solve it in a different way?
Hey, can I show you guys something real quick? Hey, look, let me show you something about fractions. So hands off block, right? Look at your fingers, you see them? William, are you with me? Clap twice. I want to show you something real quick, and Mr. Burrell, take it over. Look, when you have the fraction 2/3, our denominator tells us what? Hold on. Matt Parker's a great answer.
How many groups there is?
It's going to tell you the number of groups. Okay? So, you broke it down into 3 groups, right? What's the numerator tell you?
How many pieces in the group?
Or how many, well, you're close. Not how many pieces in the group, but what?
How many pieces to be with, or how many to split it up with?
You're close. You're on the right track, okay? We're going to make 3 groups, and we're going to count 2 of them, okay? So think about what a fraction tells you. Denominator tells you number of groups. Numerator tells you how many groups you're counting, okay?
There's no market to be doing.
So we got our 1/2 right here. How many groups does it need to be in?
3.
Class, how many groups does it need to be in?
3.
How many groups are we counting?
2.
What is this?
Rhombus
or what?
Or 1/3 or 2/3. I mean 2 6.
Or 2 6
2 6 or 1/3.
or 1/3. What? You got different ways to solve it? Okay.
Hey, I want to try something real quick. When Maisha tells her answer, and she holds up a block, I want you to hold up the same block. So if she holds up a triangle, while she's talking, you're going to hold up a triangle just like she does. Okay? All right, Maisha, you got the floor. We're all watching you. Okay, let's start over with that. What did you do now?
You know what, that's a good way of thinking. I think that may just be a coincidence.
Yeah.
Try it for your next time and see if it works out. And then if it did, maybe we'll write the textbooks or something. We found a new way to do it, all right?
Are we building here?
All right, guys, let's try to work through some of our multiplication topics. Let's try to work through some of them, okay? Let's try to work through some of our multiplication topics.
So what's 1/2 and 1/3? So we have 1 and 1/3. What was the number of 1/2?
Yeah, 1/3. Yes. The 1/3.
But you have to cover it up. 1/2 of 1 6.
The last one is 1/2 of
1/3. How many groups?
the second fraction.